So today we're going to talk about 3 movies we have coming out in 2025, the first of which is Captain America, Brave New World.
All right, welcome everybody, good to see ya.
I am the king of the Serpent Society. I am Seth Volker, Sidewinder.
A scene from Captain America, Brave New World, just for you, and we're all going to watch it right now.
Hey, Mr. President!
And I am delighted, and I am proud to become a member of the Marvel Universe. I had been watching fantastic actors, some of which are here tonight, have a really good time working in the Marvel Universe, and I wanted a piece of the action.
All right, thank you guys. Got the cast of Captain America, Brave New World. Thank you. 1 year from today, exactly 1 year from this weekend, we are releasing Marvel's first family into the MCU, the Fantastic Four. Ladies and gentlemen, our director, Matt Shakman.
And we know that Fantastic Four is set in a version of 1960s New York.
So a lot of it was about finding inspiration from the futurists of that time, especially Sid Mead, and using that as sort of inspiration to build a whole new world that is part the New York that you know from the 60s and something you've never seen before. But more than just the visual aesthetics, the 60s to me is all about optimism. It's about looking to the stars and about dreaming, about traveling into space. It's about how with the right heart and the right mind you can do anything, which is what the Fantastic Four is all about. And so it's more about capturing the spirit and the tone, which is not a bad segue because I put something together for you guys.
That is the official title, The Fantastic Four First Steps, and that amazing music you heard was our composer, Michael Giacchino. And the other surprise is that the cast is all here. Ladies and gentlemen, Ben Grimm, fantastic, Pedro Pascal. By the way, this is the first time, all in public, Marvel's first family.
All right. Hey.
So I think we can all say we've laughed a lot. We've cried with laughter many days, so hopefully we can bring that to the movies.
But you start shooting on Monday back in the UK. Don't you have to get to work?
We gotta go. Yeah.
Get on the plane tonight.
They literally have to fly back, but the good thing about that is they have their own fantastic car, which will take them back to the UK, hopefully, very, very quickly. Next year that comes out in May, and it's called Thunderbolts.
Director of Thunderbolts, Jake Schreier. Geraldine Viswanathan. Louis Pullman. Anna John Common. Wyatt Russell. Julia
team, I have to tell you, they are wonderful. They are the Thunderbolts. We think all the same thoughts. We take care of each other. We show up for each other. Let me introduce you to... You guys didn't dress up? Guys, I sent that email, and we all said we were gonna dress up because it was Comic-Con. Well, thank you, but I'm out of here. Thanks a lot, guys.
Hey, Jake, what's with the asterisk?
Oh, the asterisk. I can tell you that it means something.
I mean, we had a real ride because we actually loved working with each other.
Valentina is after power, control, and I would say just generally wants to kick ass in the Marvel universe. I think that's a good answer.
No, it's been really a privilege, honestly. I remember being on the stage with Captain America Winter Soldier, and I was so terrified at the time that I was like, it's okay, he has a mask, he doesn't speak. I don't have to speak. But it's I'm so grateful to see everybody here and to be up here with this incredible, talented group of people, and so I'm grateful.
Right on.
I just want to say thank you so much for all of you being here and for giving us the energy again.
And what's exciting is that the Fantastic Four cast and many other members you've seen today will also be appearing in the 2 Avengers films that we're making. Yes, yes. Do you want to hear a little bit about the Avenger films? You know, one thing that people have been asking of late is who the heck is going to direct these 2 movies? Ladies and gentlemen, my friends, Joe and Anthony Russo.
Oh my God, we missed you guys. You are the best damn fans in the world.
Oh, wow. So, Joe, are we really going to do this?
I don't know. We're up here, right? Kevin,
Guys.
Can we still back out? Is it, no?
Okay, just hear me out, When we directed Avengers Endgame, Joe and I truly believed that it was the end of the road for us in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, because we had put all of our passion, all our love, all our imagination into the Winter Soldier, into Civil War, into Infinity War, climaxing all of it with Avengers Endgame. That 4-movie run was incredible, and it left us creatively spent with all of our emotions on the floor. In the time since, through a very special story, Joe and I have come to potentially see a road forward with you all.
And it's the biggest story that Marvel Comics ever told. It's the first comic book run that I read as a kid that made me fall in love with comics. It's the reason that Anthony and I are standing up here. And I think you all know the name of it.
The name is Secret Wars.
Get ready!
We are in fact doing it. As fans of the comic know, Secret Wars is incredibly ambitious. All of this made Joe and I understand that we would need to make another essential movie first in order for all of us to be ready for Secret Wars.
Yeah, there is one very, very important character that is required to do Secret Wars justice. And it's a character that Marvel has not introduced yet. And it could be the most important character in all of the Marvel universe. Now, listen, if we're gonna bring Victor Von Doom to the screen, and he is one of the more complex characters in all of comics, right, Kevin? Then I think we're gonna need the greatest actor in the world to play that character. As proof of the unimaginable possibilities in the Marvel multi-universe, we give you the one person who could play Victor Von Doom?
New mask. Same task. What can I tell you? I like playing complicated characters.
Wow.
Love you. Love you.
Wow. All right. Like Robert. Like Robert said, new mask, same task, and the task for all of us, including everybody in this room together, is for us to help create the greatest possible experience that we can all have together in a movie theater. So let's get to it. Bring your imagination, your love, and your passion, and we will see you in 2 years with Doomsday.
Thank you very much. Wonderful. Great work. Thank
Love
you.
you all.